Updated at astroradio.com. Forecast. A red flag warning begins at noon tomorrow and remains in effect until 9 p.m. tomorrow night. Lows level off around 65 overnight under mainly clear skies. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. For Ad Astro Radio, I'm meteorologist Ray Miller on Kansas Rocks 100.3. Right now, 74.
Get weather anytime on the Ad Astra Radio app from Kansas Rocks 100.3.
This is a coordinated monthly test of all broadcast stations in Kansas and the Kansas City metropolitan area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is now being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather watches or warnings, or other local area emergencies, official messages and information would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of Kansas and or the Kansas City area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.